Hey class, this is part 5 of solving inequalities. This is example 2. We're going to go ahead and move on to example 3. Here we go. All right, example 3. We have 3x less than 9. 3x less than 9. Now, remember, when there's a number right next to a variable, there's a dot here. What does that dot represent? Multiplication, right? Now, x is being multiplied by 3. What's the opposite of multiplying by 3? Dividing by 3, right? So we're going to divide the left side by 3. Whatever you do to the left, you also have to do to the right. 3 divided by 3? What is 3 divided by 3? $3 divided by 3 people, everybody gets 1, right? And so we have 1 times x. What's 1 times x? X, right? Less than sign comes down just like the equal sign would. Remember, we're treating these like equations. What's 9 divided by 3? 3. We end up with our inequality, right? We solved our inequality, and now we're going to draw a number line. Where do we start? On the number what? 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 2. This is 1. This is 0. Now, ask ourselves, what symbol do we have? Less than. Does less than tell us to do an open circle or close? Look at your notes. Is it an open circle or closed? Ask yourself. Open, right? So we're going to have open circle on the number 3. That's because when we substitute 3 here, is 3 less than 3? Is 3 less than 3? No, it is not. Is 2 less than 3? Yes, it is. Is 4 less than 3? No, it's not. And remember, we know we got to show you this way because that 2 turned out to be less than 3. But also remember, you can do the arrow. Arrow tells you it's pointing this way, meaning it's this way forever, right? To the left forever. Okay? So again, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -100 are all less than 3 as well. Okay, that's example number 3. This is our inequality. This is our number line solution, our inequality solution. We're going to go ahead and move on to example 4. Make sure you have it written down. I'm about to erase it. All right, here we go. Example 4. All right, here we go. So we have x over 5 greater than 2. Okay, this is going to be a little weird, okay? We have division now. X divided by 5. That's how you read the left side. X divided by 5. Now, x is being divided by 5. What is the opposite of dividing by 5? What's the opposite of dividing by 5? Multiplying by 5, right? So we're going to go ahead and put this in parentheses. Let me move this over. We're going to put the left side in parentheses, and we're going to multiply by 5. Left side by 5. Whatever you do to the left, you also have to do to the right. Now, remember, this is 5 over 1, right? 5 over 1. And there's a 5 in the numerator and a 5 in the denominator. 5 divided by 5, what are we going to get? 1. 1 times x is x. Greater than symbol will come down as well. 2 times 5, we get 10. So x is greater than 10. That is our our inequality solved, right? That's our solved inequality. Now, we're going to draw our number line. We're going to start at 10 like we do, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 9, 8, 7. Okay? Now, open or close circle. Look at our symbol. Open or close circle. Open, right? Open circle on 10. Now, we're going to go left or right? Right. Everything to the right. Plug 11 in. 11 greater than 10. Yep. 12 greater than 10. Yep. 13 greater than 10. Yep. Is 20 greater than 10? Yep. Is 9 greater than 10? No. That's why we didn't shade that way. Okay, so again, we treat inequalities just like we solve equations. When we solve inequality, we solve them just like equations. The exception is we have to draw an number line solution. We have to draw an inequality solution. We're going to talk about the next exception in the next video. All right. But remember, we solve inequalities just like we solve equations, with the exception of we have to draw this, right? We have to draw our graph. And the next exception, we're going to talk about that in the next video. Thanks for watching.